Hello students, I am from St. Mary's Kids Campus and today I have a very interesting topic for you. Now I have a topic, two letter sounds. First of all, I will tell you about my subject English, and this topic for in nursery class. Now two letter sounds. Today I will tell you that how to make two letter sounds, two letter words. When we join two letters, it makes a sound. For example, you can see different letters on the table. First of all, I will tell you we will use two signs between for two letter sounds, equal sign and plus sign. This is a sign of plus and this is a sign of equal. Now we will use different letters. Red colors letters showing consonants, and blue color letters are showing vowels. Yes, हम जो है वो ब्लू कलर जो है वो वोवल्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं एंड रेड कलर जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. अब मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि हम साइन ऑफ प्लस एंड इक्वल ये हम साइन क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनके दरमियान में हमने डिस्टेंस रखा है. अभी ये अलग अलग लेटर हैं लेकिन हमने इनको ज्वाइन करना है और जब ये ज्वाइन होंगे तो ये एक साउंड्स देंगे, एक वर्ड मेक करेंगे, साउंड्स मेक करेंगे. नाउ let's start our lesson. So first of all I will read two letters sounds, different letter sounds, like a, t. This is a sound of t and this is a sound of a. We will use small letters for making sounds. A, t. Now they will make at. At. Now next letter is a, n, n. A is a sound of e, n is a sound of n. Now a, n, it makes n. Yes, a, n, n. Now next is e, p. E, p. When we join two letters, it makes sound e, p, ip. E, p, ip. Yes, ip. Now next is a, b. A is a sound of a, b is a sound of b. A, b, ab. Yes, a, b, ab. Now next is l, o. L, o, lo. L, o, lo. Now यहाँ पे डिफरेंट लेटर्स जो हैं अलग अलग आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके जब हमने इन दोनों लेटर्स को ज्वाइन किया है, इन दोनों को फिर हम इकट्ठा लिखेंगे, एक साथ लिखेंगे. ल, ओ, लो. Now next is e, n, in. In. E, n, in. Now next is g, o, go. Yes, g, o, it makes a sound go. G, o, go. Next is o, n, on. Yes, o, n, it makes sound on. On. Now I will repeat again all sounds. At, n, ip, ip, ab, ab, l, o, lo, in, in, g, o, go, on, on. Now this topic for nursery class, and today is my topic, two letter sounds. I hope you will learn from this video. So thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.